ओरिजिनल तो कितना देना मोबाइल ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्डिंग मोबाइल लिया ऐप मैं तो यार लेकिन कि मेरी वॉइस नहीं यार वॉइस वाला ऐप की थी मेरी
different parts of computer and their uses. The standard computer consists of a monitor, keyboard, a mouse, and the system unit. One can attach associated accessories such as printers and scanners by means of ports. Increasingly in the workplace, computers are connected to printers and other computers by means of a network. The monitor. This is visual display unit video. There are various technologies for the display unit. Tube, FRT, a liquid crystal display, or electroluminescent screens, or in the projector, the monitor or screen displays your work, saving it down reduces reflected reflected glare from room lights. This reflection may affect your sight. Monitors come in different five. The size of the monitor is measured diagonally on the screen. Based on this, the monitors range in 5 of 12, 14, 15, 17, 19, 21, 29. Monitors are also characterized by the flatness of their screens. The flatter and the wider screens are usually the better. The system box or computer console. The system box is where all the computation that the computer performs take place. Inside are the CPU process, the motherboard, the hard disk, any network or sound cards, memory chips, printer ports, and the drive. Guys, उनकी पिक जो है ना वो साइड में आपको मेंशन कर दी गई हैं, तो फिर आप देख सकते हैं. And zip disk or CDs outside the casing or the power button on off and restart with some additional facilities like the carving USB ports, webcams, etc. The keyboard pressing. This is the basic input device. It is one of the ways you can tell the computer who to do. It consists of the standard typewriter keys as well as a numeric keypad and function keys. You can use it to guide the computer commands, name folders and files, and type text. It word processing document. The keyboard is made of three main categories of keys with each used for a different purpose. Character keys. The comprise of letters, numbers, and the symbols. They are used to insert display readable character on the screen, which is equivalent to the keystroke pressed. Letter A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. तो गाइस ये आपके सामने इसका चार्ट आ गया है। तो अब हम इसकी सेकंड टाइप पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, एक्शन कीज। These are not used to type anything, instead they cause an action: escape, tab, caps lock, shift, control, alt, backspace, enter window, win menu, print screen, scroll lock, pause break, number lock, insert, home page up, delete and page down, power sleep, wake up arrow, left arrow, right arrow, down arrow and spacebar. Application dependent keys. These are called function keys. They are F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. Although the F1 key is usually used to get help while working in Microsoft Windows, and the use of other keys varies from one application to another. Eventually, the applications you use will give you instruction on what to do and how to use the function keys. Key combinations. Some keys can be combined to produce upper cause letters or to access the upper symbol of some keys. Shift and control keys. Keys are also combined for many other reasons. In some situations, you have to press keys simultaneously, which means that you may be expected to press two or more keys at the same time or almost at the same time. In some other situations, you may have to press and release one key followed by another. Shortcuts. A shortcut is a quick action you ask a program to perform when you press one particularly key or a combination of keys. Some shortcuts are universal or almost that is the computer is bound regardless of what application is running. Some other shortcuts depend on what you have on your screen. Some shortcuts are already unknown to the computer. Most other shortcuts are set by the programmer of the particular application you are using, yet some applications allow you to create your own shortcuts. Some shortcuts are readily obvious and can be seen from the main menu of the application. Some other shortcuts are either part of Microsoft Windows are not easily displayed. You might have to search the help documentation of the program you are using. The mouse clicking and tripping and dragging. This is another input device used to move a small white arrow pointer. The cursor on the screen by pointing. By the clicking, you can carry out commands. The computer may ask you to verify that you are sure to rename a file by clicking on the OK button. A mouse is primarily made of three parts: the buttons, the handing area, and the sensor. There are either one, two, or three mouse. The buttons. By default, a mouse has two buttons, left and right. Most mouse nowadays are also equipped with a wheel on top of the middle button called the scroll button. ओके गाइस, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट अपनी मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।